Okay, I hope am I audible right now. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate there is a one I want to create one tool. Its name is Dialogflow Buddy. So basically we have a Dialogflow developer. They need a AI powered personalized help to create Dialogflow agent. So this our tool will help us to create in every manner of create a Dialogflow developer journey. So if Dialogflow developer need want to generate some intent using intent generation, they can generate a intent entity detection. If they need some route creation help on route creation, our Dialogflow Buddy will help on that. Is there any webhook generation? You need to define your prompt, that's it, and mention which programming language you need to create your webhook, and our tool will create everything. Means we have a analytics dashboard, test suite, and if you face some difficulty, so we have a personalized Dialogflow developer debuggy to help you in every manner and for flow generation also. And here you can see the what are plan available for Dialogflow agent, and these are the feature and everything about. If you check, if you want to more check, you can click on about and contact us details, and you will get more information. So let's go each and every feature in detail. In intent, what I can do. So if I say how can I reset my password. So if I click on generate a intent, it will generate a 10 intent. Here you can see it is a API call, and if you are not satisfied with AI result, so here you can mm, means modify it. And if you, yeah, here you can modify. If you don't want this particular intent, you can delete it. If you have some custom requirement, business requirement, you can add this thing and act like here add, and here you can see there is a add, and you can export this thing and you can upload in Dialogflow CX, and it will automatically create this thing. So no need to do copy pasting in every time. This thing help you create Dialogflow developer more productive. Second one is intent entity detection. If you need help on which entity you need to use in your command, so I will ask one question. I want to go Delhi to Mumbai. So here you may I means I also I do mistakes. So if you, yeah, here you can see I yeah, custom entity location use system location entity, and yeah, they give in detail report. We can modify this JSON output as we go in next forward. Third one is route creation. You need to define your business flow. Here we will generate route group route. For webhook, here you can see which platform do you want to use, like cloud function or cloud run, and which programming language you want to create this flow. So here this thing is under development. So next one is debuggy. So if you face difficulty when you create Dialogflow agent, here you need to define as a text as output, or you can upload your image, and our Dialogflow Buddy, means Dialogflow debug buddy, will help you to fix this issue, where you can find. And this is a not just a chat GPT answer, this is a give more personalized answer. So yeah, and if you want to see some analytics on top of it, here you can see some analysis, or means entire Dialogflow we can modify as we go move forward, but this is a just POC. Yeah, thank you so much. And if you want to know more about us, so here you can see there is a about page. And if you want to join this our mission, so here we have a open position and other thing. And let me check with privacy. This is our data privacy condition, and this is our terms condition. Yeah, please feel free to visit this thing. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.